Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Apex Pro. And this is a mechanical gaming keyboard, RGB. One of the cool features about it is it has this OLED smart display right here. And I actually didn't know that it did some of the stuff that it does, such as in-game alerts, Discord messages, and it'll show, if you're listening to like a song, it'll show that. I thought it was just for controlling the keyboard, but so that is pretty cool. A couple extra features I didn't know that it had. So we're going to go ahead and pop this open. I've had one SteelSeries keyboard before. It was not a mechanical keyboard though, and I ended up taking it back the same day and exchanging it for another one because I did not like it. Now that was years and years and years ago. So I'm going to try this one out and see how it does. It looks like it's got the adjustable switches, aircraft grade aluminum alloy frame. You can adjust it anywhere. While I'm getting this tape off, let's look at the back. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. It does have USB, USB pass-through. Like I said, it's got the smart display, magnetic wrist rest, 5 customizable onboard profiles. So if you switch it from a computer to a different computer, it is saved on the keyboard, not on the computer, so you don't have to worry about re-downloading the software to switch through your profiles. They are adjustable from 0.4 millimeters to 3.6 millimeters for the actuation point. And it does support Mac, PC, Xbox One, and PS4. Let's see, I think they have a lot of tape on here. I didn't see that there was one on the other side, or I would have pre-cut it before I started the video. There we go. Alright, so here is the keyboard. Got the cable back up in here. So it does have pass-through, so it does have 2 USB plugs on it. For that, we have a user guide, product information right there, and then we have the magnetic wrist rest right here. Kind of excited to try this thing out because I have a Razer keyboard hooked up to my gaming PC right now, because that was one of the nicer mechanical keyboards that I had, and some of the keys are kind of sticky on it. Sometimes I'll like double type stuff like that, so excited to try this out. Ooh, the keys are very, very tactile and smooth. They feel very, very nice. We'll have to play around with the screen here and see how the actuation changes and stuff like that. So here is the wrist rest. So it's just got 2 magnets on it right there. Just snaps on. That's very nice. And here is that OLED smart display up here. I can't plug it in right now because my PC is over on the other side, but wheel right here controls that. Little button right here, I'm pretty sure that all controls the screen. The wheel is clickable as well. Here is your USB pass-through right here on the top left corner, and you do have a little channel to route your cable. If you want it to come out the middle or either side, you can route your cable in those ways. We do have little feet right here, so you can prop it up if you wish, which is usually how I use it, just because it gives a little bit of an angle. But that is the SteelSeries Apex Pro. They do have a couple of different ones of these keyboards with the smart display, but the Apex Pro is the one where the key actuation is adjustable. So that is the Apex Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.